On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made cabbage fufu with oats. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I have here with me oats. I have the grinded one. So I just want to show you guys how the oat is before I grind it. And I have cabbage as well. So I'm going to chop the cabbage into smaller sizes and then I'm going to wash it neatly and blend it. So the last one I did it with psyllium. A lot of people was asking me, is it going to be nice with oats? So I am here again to make another video, this time around using oats. So once I'm done cutting it, I'm going to wash it neatly and then put it in the blender to blend. Honestly, this is another healthy option if you are tired of eating starchy food, or if you have been placed in a diet, you have been told not to eat starchy food anymore. Don't you think this is really healthy for you? If you're trying to lose weight, like, this is so nice, guys. So I'm going to put it in my blender, add water on it, and then I'm going to blend it smoothly. So while blending it, I will continue to add the cabbage until I blend it all completely. Now tell me, where are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comment section so that I can send you a hug on my next video. Once I'm done blending it, next I am going to sieve it out. If you don't have this sieve, you can use your basket with tiny holes. You can also use your clean scarf to do this. So when you sieve it, do not throw away the water because you may need it later on. And while sieving it, don't squeeze out all the water from it. Just a little bit will be left on it, just like this. So next, I am going to transfer it into my pot and then begin the process. Now tell me, do you love to swallow the way I do? Are you going to be trying this as well? Let me know in the comment section. And if this video is interesting to you, please help me to share it so that it gets to more people. So next, I added a little of the water I got from the cabbage because the fufu was so dry. And then I'm going to be adding oats bit by bit on it. So try not to add too much, add bit by bit until you get the texture you want. So I continue to add the oats and continue to mix it until I get the texture I want. So at this point, you can see that it started forming to fufu already. I think using oat is the best for me because it came out so well, like gari or like akpu. I don't even know how to classify this one. So I place it on my plastic foil and then I wrap it around, allow it to cool down before I enjoy it, guys. Now tell me, are you going to try this too? And help me to share this video if you find it helpful. So I allow it to cool down for 5 minutes. I can't end this video without showing you guys how it looks in my hand. And I have one special soup that will be nice for this kind of special fufu. Oh my goodness. So guys, just look at it. It's so nice. I think oat is better than the psyllium I used before. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one. Bye.